Understanding, word for word, enhancing your English vocabulary. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the phrase, word for word. It's a common expression you might encounter in books, movies, or even in academic settings. Understanding this phrase can sharpen your comprehension and enhance your communication skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, word for word, is used to describe the action of saying or writing something exactly as it was originally said or written. It means that no words are changed, added, or omitted. It's like taking a photocopy of someone's speech or text. This is crucial when the accuracy of the information is important, such as in legal documents, quotations, or when learning a language. You can use word for word in various scenarios. For instance, when retelling a story, you might want to quote someone word for word to maintain the original meaning. It's also used when translating between languages, where you aim for a literal translation without interpretation. Remember, using it incorrectly can change the meaning of the message you're trying to convey. Let's see word for word in action. Quoting, he recited the poem word for word from memory. Legal context. The contract must be followed word for word to avoid any disputes. Language learning. She translated the text word for word, which sometimes can result in awkward sentences in the target language. We hope you now have a clear understanding of the phrase, word for word, and how it's used in English. It's a small phrase with a big impact on ensuring precise communication. Keep practicing, and you'll master the nuances of English in no time. See you in our next video.